Welcome viewer, I am Murugan. This video tutorial describes how to manually replace a corrupted DLL with a good copy of the file. This DLL file is good one. Type CMD in search bar, right click, run as administrator. Type take home. Space \F. Directory name contain the particular DLL file. Command is successfully completed. Type ICACLS. Type the DLL file directory. Name of the DLL file. /grant space administrators :F. Second command is successfully completed. Now copy good DLL file to corrupted DLL file. Good DLL file is available in desktop location. Type yes. Good DLL file successfully copied to System32 folder. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.